Do you believe that safety measures plays an important role in any successful treatment? According to A Position Statement, 2010, Quality Assurance Guidelines, tooth isolation using the dental dam is standard of care. It is integral and essential for any procedure. It doesn't not only reduces the risk of contamination, but also offers benefits such as aiding in visualization by providing a clean operating field and preventing ingestion or aspiration of dental materials, irrigation, and instruments. But using rubber dam is not cost-effective for most of the practitioners. To eliminate this factor, we are representing Waldent FlexiShield rubber dam sheet, affordable and reliable measures to make your operatory a safe place. Powder-free formulation, low in protein to decrease the risk of irritation and allergies. High tear tolerance, great tensile strength, great modulus level. You can use these rubber dam sheets with these easy steps. Gather all the necessary tools. FlexiWave rubber dam sheets, template, rubber dam punch, retainers, clamp forceps, holder or frame. Patient preparation: inform and reassure patient about procedure. Select the teeth for isolation and mark it on the sheet using the template. Now take the punching forceps to punch the hole. Take out the retainer clamp accordingly the number of tooth you've selected and secure it with the dental floss. Now enlarge the hole in the sheet with the help of retaining forceps and gradually adapt it on the retainer. Open the wings of the clamp using forceps and place it on the tooth, making sure of 4-point contact. After it fits snugly, pull the sheet down completely over the wings. Apply the frame and stretch the dam over it. Are you ready to announce your standard of practice with our affordable FlexiShield rubber dam sheets? Tell us in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more updates.